is our finished results of our Mexican cornbread. I just want to show you, and I opened one up right there. Ooh, look at the jalapeno pepper in there, y'all. I had cream cheese sauce with this, y'all, and it turned out real good. Look at it. It turned out real good. This is the end results of our Mexican cornbread. You can eat with anything you want to. Anything you want. So I just make some little squares. This is how I'm going to tell you how to eat it. And thank you for coming to my channel and get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. And man, you got some cornbread to serve your family. This ain't going to tell you how to eat it. And thank you for coming to my channel. This is Sandra. I want to show you a product that I'm doing right now. And it is called Mexican cornbread. Yes, indeed. I will give you the recipe on how to do the Mexican cornbread at soulfoodqueen.net. I'm trying to build up my website over there. A lot of people's coming over there, but I need more people to come over and see what's going on in that website. Okay, this is going in the oven. I got cheese and jalapeno on top, and I got the recipe how you do it. Inside the recipe is corn, is red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and it has onions and hey, it's got the cumin, it's got the chili powder, got a little pepperino, that's crushed red pepper, and it's marvelous. It's marvelous. So I got it in a greased pan so that it won't stick. So this is Sandra. I'm going to show you how it look, and I'm going to give you a recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. So don't ask me, where's the recipe? It's going to be on soulfoodqueen.net, okay? All right, our Mexican cornbread is done, and I'm going to take it out and put it in a bowl. First, well, here's one right here. It's already out. But look how beautiful they are. That's the Mexican cornbread. Oh, I'm going to give you the recipe, y'all, so y'all know how to do it. So I'm taking them all out and placing them in a serving bowl. They are delicious. They smell good. They are fabulous, y'all. You know, I always say that fabulous word. That's them right there. They are really ready to come out. And like I said, I will give you a recipe. And I want you to go to my website and get the recipe for these fabulous Mexican style cornbread. Look at that. Ooh, they are delicious. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, bump the camera, y'all. This is Sandra. I want to tell you how to eat it. And thank you for coming to my channel and getting these marvelous recipes. Look at that. Ain't that pretty?